Every year Apple is releasing a new phone, promising better features and performance. With the recent launch of the iPhone 14, many are wondering if it's worth buying. And in this video we'll explore the key aspects of the iPhone 14 and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. So let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about the iPhone 14 and whether it's still worth buying. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate the cutting-edge features it has to offer. First and foremost, the design. The iPhone 14 is sporting a sleek design that really shows how much effort Apple put into aesthetics. With a smaller notch, thinner bezels, and Super Retina XDR display, this device is sure to turn heads. Now let's talk about performance. The iPhone 14 is expected to come equipped with the latest A15 chip, which promises significant improvements in speed. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking this powerful device, it will handle it all with ease. One area Apple has always with is the camera, and the iPhone 14 is no exception. With enhanced photography capabilities, improved low light performance, and advanced AI-driven features, this device will take your photography skills to a whole different level. Moving on to software. Apple's iOS ecosystem remains unrivaled. The iPhone 14 will undoubtedly ship with the latest iOS version, bringing a seamless and secure user experience. Plus, with Apple's commitment to software updates for several years, you can be confident that your device will be up to date for many years to come. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, Apple's devices often come with a premium price tag, especially the iPhone 14, priced at $1,000. But the value they provide cannot be overlooked. The iPhone 14's price will depend on the specific variant and storage options. To wrap things up, if you are currently using an older device and anticipate a big upgrade in performance and camera capabilities and potential new features, the iPhone 14 might be worth buying. However, if you are using a relatively newly released device, then it might be worth waiting for future iterations or considering other factors before making a decision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this made sense. If not, then let me know in the comments section below. Also, please tell me what I can do better in future to make my videos more entertaining.